Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture we will revise chapter 4, that is Adaptation to Habitats. In the previous lectures we had discussed all the topics and question answers of this chapter. From today onwards we will revise the topics one by one. So let's begin the revision of this chapter 4, that is Adaptation to Habitat. So first of all, what is habitat? So habitat is a natural place where animal lives and grow naturally. It's called its habitat. Again I am repeating, habitat is a natural place where an animal lives and grow naturally. It's called its habitat. So as we know, animals lives in different habitats like desert, mountain, aquatic habitat, aerial habitat, arboreal habitat, field. Animals living in a field. So they are living in a different types of habitats. So to survive in that habitat, animals change themselves or modify themselves in some way by which they can survive in that habitat. So the next term which we have to understand is adaptation. So again the question is, what is adaptation? So the process in which an animal or plant changes itself to suit its surroundings. It's called adaptation. Again I am repeating, the process in which an animal or plant changes itself to suit the surroundings or suit its surroundings is called adaptation. So animals change themselves in several ways to suit its surroundings, and this adaptation is a very long process. It takes a long period of time, and once the animals change itself, it will continue generation after generation, because this change gives the animal better chance of survival. And if an animal do not adapt in the environment, then what will happen, class? The animal will die out gradually, and the animal become extinct from the nature. So they have to adapt to survive. Now let's discuss about adaptation to their habitat. We will discuss one by one. So based on the habitat, so first of all we will discuss about terrestrial animals. So animals living on the land are called terrestrial animals. Animals living on the land are called terrestrial animals, like cow, dog, buffalo, cat, deer, bear, and so many animals are there. So let's discuss how they are adapted to live on the land. So first of all, they have strong limbs to walk, to run, to stand for longer period of time. The second thing, they have lungs for breathing. They have lungs for breathing. The third is, they have a hairy or thick skin to protect themselves from hot or cold climate. They have well developed nervous system and sense organs which help them to survive. Now comes the polar animals, which lives in extremely cold areas. So they have a heavy fur on their body and a thick layer of fat inside their skin, just beneath their skin. And this heavy fur and thick layer of fat help them to protect themselves from cold climate. The mountain goat have a very special type of adaptation in their legs, or you can say in their hooves, small hooves, which help them to climb on the mountain. The next type of animal comes the camel, which lives in the desert. So in the desert, the animals are very small. Very few big animals are there like camel. So camels have their own adaptation. Like camels have padded feet, which help them to walk on the sand, and their legs are also long, which keep their body far above, a little above from the hot sand. The next thing is they have stored fat in their hump, which help them and give them energy to survive in the time of shortage of food and water. The next thing is they have long eyelashes, which help them to protect their eyes in the time of sandstorms. So these are the adaptations of different animals which help them to survive in their surroundings. So class, I hope you all are able to understand this revision lecture. If any problem, ask me. I will help you class. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.